Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Legal masterstroke by Tarun Tejpal heads straight for crime branch after landing at Daboli airport. Court gives interim relief to Tejpal till Saturday morning. Bus accident at Kerry injures 24, 6 severely injured. One dies at Giri Mapsa after a vehicle hits him and flees from scene. The 44th edition of IFFI to conclude on Saturday. Hollywood actor Michelle Yeoh to grace concluding ceremony. Felicitation of director Rohit Shetty. Latest development in EDM, supersonic of Wycombe to be at Kandoli, sunburns at Vagator, Mickey's beach grind to also get nod. And Kolva tourist taxi operators oppose Russians organizing tours in the state, demand stopping of such encroachment by Russians over local business. And now the news in detail. Tarun Tejpal finally landed in Goa on Friday evening. He was accompanied by his wife, brother, sister and daughter from Delhi. Though he is in the net of Goa Police, they cannot arrest him till Sessions Court gives verdict on his anticipatory bail plea on Saturday morning. Court has extended interim relief to Tejpal till 10 a.m. on Saturday. Tejpal went straight to crime branch on late Friday evening to create an impression that he is cooperating with Goa Police.
I got the summons yesterday. I said I'm going to Goa. I got the summons yesterday. I said I'm going to Goa.
Finally, Tehelka editor and rape accused Tarun Tejpal is in the net of Goa Police. He was detained at Daboli airport the moment he landed from Delhi. Goa Police were on hot pursuit of Tarun Tejpal from wee hours of Friday in Mumbai and in Delhi. Later, it was learned that Tejpal was en route to Goa with his counsel and family members. Tejpal was accompanied with his wife, daughter, sister and brother. A team of Goa Police was also on board till Tejpal reached Daboli airport. BJP Yuva Morcha showed black flags and slogans for Tarun Tejpal when he reached Daboli airport. Tarun Tejpal's advocate Geeta Luthra contended that his client has been targeted due to political interference. She also said that Tarun is a reputed journalist and had done many sting operations due to which many political leaders had to suffer and now politicians are taking revenge. Advocate raised questions over the police action to register FIR in this case merely on the basis of media reports. Advocate said that alleged crime was committed against a major girl and she is also a journalist. Hence, police should have recorded the statement of the victim first. Defense lawyer also raised questions over victim's conduct after the alleged crime. Defense lawyer contended that the alleged crime was committed on 7th and 8th November. He asked why the girl accompanied Tejpal in lift on second day when the accused allegedly assaulted her on first day. Victim continued enjoying party after the crime. Why she took 11 days to report to managing editor about the crime. Defense lawyer contended that Goa Police are not reviving the whole CCTV footage. She pressed that examining footage of all days will give another picture about the allegation. Advocate said that Tarun Tejpal is ready to fully cooperate investigating agency and will not leave Goa till investigation gets completed, and also he is ready to follow all the conditions put by the court. The court adjourned hearing of this case for Saturday morning and granted stay on his arrest till next order.
See, we filed our anticipatory bail application today. First, we got an interim relief till 2:30 p.m. When the matter was heard, when the matter was argued, the arguments couldn't be concluded today. So our anticipatory bail plea has been extended. The interim bail has been extended till tomorrow.
कितने का बॉन्ड भी भरने की बात?
जी 20,000 का पर्सनल बॉन्ड भरने को बोला है, वो हम भर देंगे।
और इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए क्या क्राइम ब्रांच के सामने जा रहे हैं आज?
जी हम जाएंगे, हमने बोला है।
कितने बजे?
यार हम इन्वेस्टिगेशन से एजेंसी से कोऑपरेट करने आ रहे हैं गोवा, हाँ, विल कोऑपरेट।
Tejpal's hide and seek with Goa Police was going on till Friday afternoon. Teams of Goa Police searched for Tejpal in Mumbai, Delhi and here in Goa too. Police visited Tejpal's residence, contacted his wife and inquired about his whereabouts. Later, police contacted Tejpal's sister. They also visited Tehelka office. Police inquiries were on in Juhu in Mumbai. Police were stationed at airports and railway stations. Tarun Tejpal headed straight to crime branch from Daboli airport. He reached crime branch late evening. Police will interrogate Tejpal. Although Tejpal has been given interim relief, he is under heavy police surveillance. But Tejpal personally went to crime branch in order to evade possible arrest. Our news editor Suyash Gaonekar shed some light on the legal strategy behind this move by Tejpal.
हाका लागून आयचे दिसभर आदोगादान त्याच स्ट्रॅटेजीन दिसभर आर्ग्युमेंट घाल्यात जाका लागून फाल्यां मेरेन ताका इंटरीम जामीन मेळून मदीं तो क्रायम ब्रांची कडेन वतलो आपणे पुलिसांक कोऑपरेट केलां हें चित्र उबें करतलो आनी फाल्यां परत कोर्टा मुखार येतलो की आपूण पुलिसांक कंप्लीट कोऑपरेट करता हें चित्र ताका फुडें हायकोर्टाक आनी सुप्रीम कोर्टाक खूब बरें पडटलें जेन्ना पॉलिटिकल इन्फ्लुएन्स त्या कोर्टांनी कमी जाता आनी एक्युज्डाचेर इतलीच प्रोसिक्युशनाचेर जबाबदारी येता तें प्रूव करपाची.
Tarun Tejpal reached crime branch at 7:30 p.m. Investigating officer Sunita Sawant reached crime branch office at 8:15 p.m. Tarun Tejpal was quizzed for around 2 hours by the crime branch officials. Tarun Tejpal left crime branch at 9 p.m.
इस तरह से क्राइम ब्रांच से बाहर निकले हैं करीबन जो है 1-1.5 घंटे तक यहाँ पर हैं. तरुण आपसे लगातार पुलिस ने जो कई सारे सवाल पूछे पुलिस से क्या सवाल किए तरुण आपने क्या जवाब दिया तरुण फिलहाल तरुण तेजपाल क्राइम ब्रांच के दफ्तर से निकले और गाड़ी में जा रहे हैं तरुण तेजपाल तकरीबन 2 से 2.5.
Bureau Report Prudent.
A passenger bus met with an accident at Keri. Around 24 passengers were injured. 6 were severely injured and admitted in the GMC. Passengers say accident occurred as brakes of the bus failed. Meanwhile, a scooterist died on the spot at Giri Mapsa after a vehicle hit him and fled from the scene. Police are tracking the vehicle. Bus accident at Keri on Friday morning left 24 injured. Bus turtled in a culvert. The reason behind the accident is not confirmed yet, but eyewitness informed that it was due to brake failure. 6 passengers are seriously injured. They are admitted in GMC. Remaining 20 passengers are moved to district hospital at Ponda. Few of them were discharged.
बस एकदम फास्ट आली फास्ट आम्ही गड्डल
म्हणजे पहिले स्पीड सांगले गड्डल
एकदम फास्ट आली वयली पावले
देवते
ती मातशी काडोरती तेची काडलेली तेव्हा तो फास्ट
म्हणजे आम्ही तुका घेऊन बस स्टॉप आल्लो सकल काढलो म्हणजे वयले
आम्ही
तिचे कडेन
मातशें फास्ट जालें
तुमकां खंय मारता कितें जालें
गाडी स्पेशल लोन कळना
हातीक मार बसलो थोड्यांक तकलेक मार बसलेलो आसा आनी थोड्यांक मुखोय मार बसलेलो तो कांय कळना कसो कितें जाता थोड्याक हातीक चलयेचो हातूच मोडला तिका आतां बांबोळे धाडले
ब्रेक फेल जालो म्हणून ती दोन्ही रस्त्याच्या सायडीन गेली आणि मेजर ॲक्सिडेंट जालो.
Meanwhile, a scooterist lost his life after a vehicle dashed him at Giri Mapsa and fled from the scene. Scooter rider has been identified as Suryakant Agarwadekar from Nadora. Suryakant, 55-year-old, died on the spot. Police have registered a hit-and-run case against the unknown vehicle. Police is tracking the vehicle and offender. Meanwhile, Navy's vehicle turtled near State Assembly complex at Porvorim. Incident occurred on Friday afternoon. It is learned that the driver got unconscious while driving and lost his control over the vehicle. Bureau Report, Prudent. The curtains for 44th International Film Festival of India will come down on Saturday. Hollywood actor Michelle Yeoh will grace the occasion for the ceremony. Bollywood film director Rohit Shetty will be felicitated during the ceremony. Aishwarya and Abhishek Bachchan are expected for the closing ceremony.
We will also be having many other people also besides her. Remo Fernandez, our own very popular musician, will be there playing for the evening. Uske alawa, we will also be having Rohit Shetty who will be felicitated. So these are some of the highlights. But the most important thing जो कल शाम को होने वाला है वो ये है कि जो आपके अवार्ड्स जो दिए जाएंगे, इंटरनेशनल जूरी का प्रेजेंटेशन होगा और इंटरनेशनल जूरी अपने अवार्ड्स 5 अवार्ड्स जो है मुख्य अवार्ड्स है वो अनाउंस करेंगे और मेन फोकस जो क्लोजिंग फंक्शन का हर साल फेस्टिवल में जो होता है वो अवार्ड्स पे ही होता है. तकरीबन 1 करोड़ 10 लाख का टोटल कैश कंपोनेंट है और उसके बाद सेंटेनरी अवार्ड भी है जो पिछले साल 100 ईयर्स ऑफ इंडियन सिनेमा में हम लोगों ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया था, तो वो भी कल शाम को अनाउंस किया जाएगा. सेंटेनरी अवार्ड के साथ 10 लाख रुपए का भी कैश अवार्ड है. तो ये सारी चीज़ें कल शाम को दर्शाया जाएगा. काफ़ी लोग होंगे, इंडस्ट्री से काफ़ी लोग होंगे और इसके बाद ये सारी चीज़ें हैंगर में होंगी जो फुटबॉल ग्राउंड्स में कला अकेडमी के बगल में और उसके बाद क्लोजिंग फिल्म होगी जो आधारित मंडेला पे है, द लॉन्ग वॉक टू फ्रीडम. तो तकरीबन 1 घंटे और 30 मिनट की फिल्म है.
Renowned actors like Asha Parekh, Jimmy Shergill, Vijay Kadam, Telugu film actor and producer Sumant are expected for the concluding ceremony. A gone singer Remo will be performing at the ceremony. Reporter Sachin Sulikar with Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.